Man, Florida was great. Time to finally sleep in my own bed. Hey, who are you? Why are you in my living room? What the? Did I forget how to use a lock?
Relax, buddy. I live here now. Your Netflix password is weak, by the way.
I'm calling 911. You're going to federal prison.
Sorry, sir. He showed me a month-to-month lease and a power bill with his name on it.
That's a fake. I was gone for 2 weeks. Kick him out.
Can't do it. This is a civil matter. If you touch him or change these locks, I'll have to handcuff you for illegal eviction.
But it's my house.
Not according to Washington state law. Have fun in a motel, sir.
Welcome to the twisted world of squatters' rights in the United States. How is this legal? It's called adverse possession. Back in the day, the US government wanted land to be used, not sitting empty. So they made a law. If you live on a piece of property long enough and act like the owner, eventually the law says you are the owner. But in states like New York or California, the clock starts almost instantly. In NYC, if someone stays in your house for just 30 days, they gain tenant rights. They don't need a lease agreement, they don't need to pay a single cent in rent, they just need to be there. Once a squatter has possession, it's no longer a criminal case for the sheriff. It becomes a civil dispute. To get them out, you have to file a formal eviction suit in a housing court. This process is a financial bloodbath. Between attorney fees, court filing costs, and the lost property value, it can cost a homeowner upwards of $50,000. Meanwhile, the squatter is living rent-free, destroying your drywall and tanking your credit score because you can't pay the mortgage on a house you can't even enter.
It gets worse. Professional squatters now use fake leases and photoshopped utility bills to trick the utility companies. If you, the real owner, shut off the electricity or water to force them out, that's called a self-help eviction. In many blue states, that's a misdemeanor or even a felony. You are legally required to keep the lights on for the person stealing your equity. In America, your home is your castle. But unless you have a title insurance policy and a very good real estate lawyer, your castle might just belong to the guy who crawled through your back window while you were at Walmart. What should I explain next? Join the Discord.